at Flower City Comic Con here in Rochester, New York. I'm gonna do a quick walkthrough here, show you guys what's going on at the local con where I live. Let's check it out.
So I thought I needed. So I thought I needed. Thought I needed. So I thought I needed.
All right, you guys, that was a quick tour of the Flower City Comic Con. I didn't go in full gear, unfortunately, just much too busy today. I was only here for a very short period of time. It was really fun, got to meet a lot of cool people, got to see a lot of cool local cosplayers as well. If you're ever in the Rochester area in June, make sure to check that out. I'll have links down below as well to Flower City Comic Con. It goes for 2 days, and there's one upcoming in Buffalo as well, New York, which unfortunately I won't be able to go to either. I'll be at the East Coast Rep Fest. So, yeah, that's it for me. I'm gonna head on out of here. All right, see you guys.
So I thought I needed. So I thought I needed.